equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth for any dust removal. First, disconnect your Dyson SV12 from the power source to ensure safety during the process. Next, locate the screws on the handle of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull the handle apart to access the internal components. Now, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the handle. This will not only help with the functionality but also prolong the life of your vacuum. A clean environment is essential for optimal performance. With the handle open, you will see the trigger mechanism. Carefully detach the old trigger by unscrewing the small screws that hold it in place. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Once the old trigger is removed, take your new trigger and align it with the screw holes. Secure it in place by tightening the screws with your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure it's firmly attached, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. After the new trigger is installed, reassemble the handle by aligning it back together. Replace the screws you removed earlier.